Hello everyone, welcome to Meals with Sue on a bowl of noodles series. After returning to Houston, I started cooking again. These 2 weeks I will feature a new simple noodles dishes to ease into cooking. Each video will introduce 1, 2 or even 3 ingredients that you can experiment with to get more creative and have variety in your cooking. The first video features Bibigo Mini Wontons with Korean Noodles. The Bibigo brand Mini Wontons filled with chicken and cilantro are already fully cooked, so it will only take 5 minutes to prepare. So put this last into the soup as the wonton skin breaks easily. Sometimes I forget to put the wonton last. Here I started by boiling a pot of water or chicken stock. Then I added some king oyster mushroom slices to the soup. These mushroom slices take about 5 to 10 minutes to become tender. So put these into the water first. You can use also Enoki mushroom, button mushroom or oyster mushrooms. Next, I added bok choy to the soup. Put in any seasoning that you desire. Here I'm adding some miso, some salt and pepper, 2 drops of sesame oil, some chili paste and a few drops of soya sauce. In a separate pot, blanch the Korean potato starch noodles for 3 to 5 minutes. Unlike other glass noodles, Korean potato starch noodles are thicker and takes longer to boil and soften. So give this some time to soften and then sieve out the noodles once it has softened. As the soup stock starts to simmer, crack 1 egg or 2 directly into the stock. Put in the blanched noodles and towards the end, put in the mini wontons. Time 5 minutes and remove everything. Ready, a bowl of noodles. Go ahead and garnish with spring onions, cilantro and sliced red chili if you have this on hand. Just use whatever you have, as these are easy meals that cook in minutes. Thank you for watching. You have a great day. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate all your support, and your support has encouraged me to keep cooking and keep posting. Again, thank you so much. Bye-bye.